Welcome coders. This is our second video that is regarding Docker. In this video I am going to explain the architecture, or you can say the networking architecture that I have in my home. So basically I am having one internet connection, and internet is carried by one optical fiber cable to my home, and inside my home I have a router, and that router, as you can see in this diagram, the top left diagram, that black symbol that denotes tower that is having the optical fiber, and through that optical fiber I am getting internet to the router. And this router is having two antennas, or you can say it can generate two Wi-Fi signals, that is 2.4 gigahertz and 5 gigahertz. And there is one small Ubuntu machine that I have attached with it, and its IP address is 192.168.1.201. And the rest all laptops, or laptop 1, laptop 2, laptop 3, and some mobiles, they are connected, including my office laptops also, they are connected by Wi-Fi. So I can access this Ubuntu machine from this laptop, or you can say from my mobile also, using that IP addresses that I have in my laptop 1 or laptop 2 or any other devices that I have inside my network. Now this Ubuntu machine is purely it is not on that base Windows, and on top of that we are having Ubuntu. It's not like that. We are having proper Ubuntu, complete alone setup, so there is no trace of any Windows inside it, and I have installed Docker inside it. So every kind of experiments that I want to do with Docker, that is very much possible over here, and I will not touch the base operating system of any of this laptop or the machine in which I have installed Docker. Yeah, one more thing, the machine that is having Docker, or you can say the machine that is having Ubuntu, that is connected with the router using an Ethernet cable, because the Ethernet cable is a bit fast, and the machine is a pretty small one. So I have placed the machine just behind the router, and they can talk easily with that Ethernet cable. So this is our you can say the networking architecture, or the assets that I have in my home, and how I have arranged it. Now all the signals that I will be sending from laptop 1 to Ubuntu machine, or from Ubuntu machine to laptop 1, that will all be handled by this router, and the different mediums of it, either using Ethernet cable or using 2.4 or 5 gigahertz. So that is one thing. The other part of is that as I am having Ubuntu, and inside Ubuntu I am having Docker, so all the containers and images, I will come into those details. Hotter containers and hotter images and all, they are inside this Ubuntu, and it is completely isolated from the Ubuntu itself of this base machine that is attached with the router via an Ethernet cable. So this is the architecture that I am having in my home, and from the next video I shall start exploring images, containers, and how the Dockers work, and how the containers, or you can say how the images, how to build images, how the containers talk between them. I will explain all those things in detail. This is only for you guys to understand how the packet flows inside the network. So let's meet in the next video. Till then, goodbye.